Did you know that the biggest difference between the rich and the poor isn't how much they earn, but what they spend their money on? Today I'm going to tell you why the rich buy assets and not things, and how you can start doing it too. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. It can be a property that pays you rent, an investment that generates dividends, or even a business that works while you sleep. On the other hand, a thing, or what we commonly know as a liability, is something that takes money out of your pocket, like a brand new car that loses value, or the latest smartphone that will be old in a year. Imagine two friends, Carlos and Luis. They both receive a $5,000 bonus. Carlos buys the latest smartphone, a giant TV, and brand-name clothes. He looks great, but his money went into things that give him nothing in return. Luis, on the other hand, uses that $5,000 to buy a coffee machine and open a small business on the corner. A year later, Carlos has an old phone and debts. Luis has his business paid off and $300 extra each month. The rich understand a simple rule. First, you buy assets, and with what they generate, you buy your things. For example, if you want a $20,000 car, instead of spending the money directly, you buy an asset that generates $500 a month. When that asset pays for the car, you buy it without touching your pocket. You might think, I don't have millions to invest, but it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Start with investing in an index fund, buying and reselling products online, creating a course or digital content, is saving for a small business. The goal is simple. Every time you earn money, set aside a portion for assets. The next time you want to buy something, ask yourself, does this put money in my pocket or take it out? Remember, the rich don't get rich by luck, but because they buy assets and not things.